Hi guys, welcome to the new video. So this is episode 2 of my Pondicherry series. To all those who are new on my channel for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button. It really means a lot to me. I will be posting weekly videos on interesting places here in Pondicherry with a different perspective. So last week was an intro video on how to remove the usage of fossil fuels from your daily personal transport, especially if you stay in a town. Do check it out, it's quite useful. So I've been using a Hero Hawk for the last 15 days. It's a bicycle, a low down one, and really good for long haul transports. And to be honest guys, I have not felt this healthier and better. So today I'm exploring a bit of Rock Beach and specifically the White Town area here in Pondicherry. So Pondicherry was a French colony before the Indian independence, and as such the White Town area, which is right next to the Rock Beach, was where the French built their homes. If you check the map on Google, you can see the stark contrast how the White Town was planned and how the rest of Pondicherry has been planned. Well, I leave it up to you to decide which is better. To be fair, on Rock Beach you see Le Cafe, which is open 24 hours and offers a great view of the beach. There are 2 floors here and you can grab South Indian filter coffee, some good food and enjoy your time here any time of the day or night. This is one of the few cafes in Pondicherry which is open 24 hours. It's a government run place and the rates are very reasonable. So during the summers, the best time to roam around in Pondicherry is after 4, as the sea breeze will soothe both your mind and your body. If you notice the architecture of buildings in White Town, it's nothing like you will see in Pondicherry. It gives you a very old world feel and charm. You feel like just dropping all your worries and roaming around thinking how the past glory of this place would have been. So next I went to a church here in White Town, which is also from the colonial era, and the architecture is awesome. It's worth a visit for sure. So as night fell, I parked my bicycle and started walking towards the Tamilian area where the markets and the shops are. So I was searching for a place to eat. And usually I eat on the local stalls that are available, some idli, some coffee and some eggs. So the next day I woke up early to capture the awesome sunrise on the Bay of Bengal. Even though the horizon was cloudy, the view was spectacular. As the day began, the old saying came into my thoughts amidst the coronavirus pandemic. Time and tide wait for none. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Now go ahead and smash the like button. Leave a feedback too on the comment section. Do you think the name White Town should be changed to something Indian? Do let me know in the comment section. So till next week guys, stay safe. Goodbye.